You love the benefits. The healthier, more youthful skin, stronger nails, gorgeous locks, perhaps even healthier joints. But not the taste. How do you make collagen taste better? Consider putting collagen into your coffee. Simply add collagen to a fresh brew and start stirring. A spoonful of collagen is a perfect start to your day. If you're worried about the heat stopping the health benefits of collagen, don't be. Thankfully, degradation only begins at 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Coffee is brewed below this level. Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and coffee is brewed with water just below that temperature. Collagen can also taste better when matching different flavors of collagen to dishes. Collagen derived from fish goes well with fish dishes. The same logic applies to all collagen types. Vanilla goes well with most, if not all, dessert and fruit flavors. Chocolate is better suited to rich, spicy, dark flavors. Fruity flavors go well with vanilla, chocolate, and other fruity flavors. You can even combine fruity flavors with veggies and smoothies to make them taste better. If your collagen is derived from cows and there's a slight flavor, match it with some savory dishes like soups and beef stews. You may just want to buy a flavorless version of collagen. You can then match the flavorless collagen with just about anything. I don't always feel like sweet things. I love savory flavors too. A third way to help collagen taste better is adding it to smoothies. You get both the benefit of a healthy smoothie and collagen together. For example, take my personal favorites of banana spinach collagen smoothie and mint mojito bulletproof iced coffee with collagen. All you need for a banana and spinach collagen smoothie is 1 large banana, 1 small apple, 1 handful of spinach, baby spinach works best, about 2 milliliters of vanilla extract. Omit this if you're using vanilla flavored collagen. Almond milk, or whatever you prefer, adjust it according to the thickness you like. A pinch of cinnamon, a scoop or 2 of collagen powder, according to the recommended serving. Water, this is optional, and 1 scoop protein powder, which is optional, and a blender. You can find both recipes in the description. If you want to be different, why not try some absolutely delicious recipes? For example, nachos with collagen makes a great snack or lunch. Collagen pot roast or chuck roast is another great recipe that you can have for lunch or dinner. A guilty favorite for dessert is chocolate avocado freezer fudge with collagen. Check the description for how to make these tasty dishes. I hope this has given you some quick and easy ideas for ways to make collagen taste better. Be sure to like and subscribe.